Good morning, Meena. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mommy. I'm still sleepy.
Are you hungry? The first dosa is almost ready.
Yes, it smells so good.
Just 1 minute, my dear. Good morning, Meena. Did you sleep well?
And fresh curry leaves for your dosas.
Wow, they look so fresh, Tata.
They are perfect, Appa. Thank you. This is so delicious.
It really is. You've outdone yourself.
I love it.
Have some more, dear.
Yes, pass the rice, please.
Of course, Grandpa. So happy we're all here.
Amma, am I doing this right?
Yes, my dear. Just a bit slower.
Like this?
Perfect. You're a natural.
I love helping you, and I love having you here. Amma, look, I peeled the onion.
Very good, my dear. You are a big help.
The garden is thriving this year.
Can we make sambar, Amma?
The rice is perfect. Now for the curry. Almost ready to serve.
Ah, nothing like eating with your fingers.
Exactly. It tastes so much better this way.
This is the true Indian way.
Papa, what's this word?
That is elephant, beta.
Mama, can I see the elephant?
Of course, my dear. After you finish reading.
That's my good girl.
Here you go, my dear.
Thank you. It smells wonderful.
More for me, please.
Of course, little one.
Yummy, so crispy.
Perfect as always.
It's ready.
Wonderful. We are all waiting.
Hurry, Amma, it smells so good.
Here you go. Eat it while it's hot.
This is delicious, as always. Thank you, Lakshmi. It's Once, under a moon like this, a kind family had a magical adventure.
What happened next, dear? Yes, tell us more.
They found a treasure of dreams and slept peacefully ever after.